Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, working like I've just done now with your phone or anything you want to be doing. You can just stay there for some few seconds or few minutes. After that, the next thing you are going to do is just to bend down as if you are crossing over something. All right, just bend down and cross over to the other side. When you cross over to the other side, you can still stay there for some few seconds, stay there for some few minutes. All right, then after that, now you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to another tutorial. So click on CapCut, click on new project now, import your video to workspace. All right, look at this volume sign there, you want to click it to silence the volume. All right, so after that, now let us mark out the point we want the video to start from. So from this place now, we want to click on the video and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Let's locate where we want the video to end. All right, so from this point we are going to be clicking here now to make another split. Delete the last part as well. Then you come back. Now we want to be clicking on this T here. All right, come back, click on this T, mark on that T there. All right, click on add text. All right, then you write whatever you like, anything you want to write. After writing it, you click on that style there so that we change the color. Let us work on the color. All right, I want to add this one. Let me click on this one. Then you want to click on font. Let's choose the size of the text. Look at different fonts, so whichever one that is preferably to you, you can now choose. I decided to choose this one. Then after that, now we want to come back. As we click that style again, we want to, from this place now, to make it big, increase the size of the text. After that, we want to click it now and use your hand to do some necessary adjustment, but I don't like this color. I want to click on this style again. After adjusting it, click on this style because I don't like this color. We want to come back to change the color now. Let me change the color. I still do not like this one. Click on this effect here. So from this effect, as you allow it to load, from this effect, I will choose the preferably color I like. Then I will mark on this good now. Then I will go back after adjusting it the way I want it to be. I will mark on this good. Then I will go back. I will click on the text and drag it to cover the whole video. All right, drag it, let it cover the whole video. After dragging it, now you want to come back and click on this video now. Then you go and look for duplicate. All right, then you duplicate this part, duplicate it now, duplicate it. Then you click on this duplicate part and look for overlay, look for overlay, locate overlay, click on overlay, click it and drag it to cover the first layer. All right, then after that, now you want to click it to go and look for remove BG. Click it, locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you just allow it to remove completely. All right, as you can see, it's applying. Tell us what you think about the video you just watched, the one we are working on. Okay, and if you have any CapCut magic tricks you want us to create together, drop that at the comment section, then we can see to that. Okay, and if you love this video and you love what we are doing, or you like what we are doing, don't forget to smash your like button. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so, or maybe this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Okay, we are still on BG removal. As you can just wait, it is still removing. Okay, now it has removed completely. Mark on this good. Now you go back. So at this point, you want to click on the video and go and locate layer. Let us locate layer so that we work on the text. Okay, so that the text will go the other side. Locate layer Click on layer now. So click on layer, look at that arrow there, click it to swap these two. After that, mark on that good, then you go back, go and locate this arrow and you click it, then you click on T. As you click on T now, you work on your test. All right, just come down and work on that test. You can see that the test is behind him now. Then you allow this video to play now. Let it play to a point where he bend down. But before then, you want to be clicking on this arrow now. Click on it. Then you allow it to play. All right, allow it to play. Look at it. Immediately you bend down. All right, you want to click on the arrow again. Click on the arrow again and locate that T so that we'll work on that test. Click on this T again. Click on the test. Bring it up so that it will be under him. After which you click on that arrow again. After adjusting it, click on this arrow again. Then you mark on that place. Then you want to click on this one here. You want to split this video at this point. You delete this last part. So at this point, we are going to play it to see what we have got. Look at it. So at this point now, I believe that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you can now export this your video to your gallery. Then you share it to your social media handles. All right. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is to click on export. All right, click on export now. You allow this video to export. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right. Okay, wonderful families. If you love the video you have just watched, or you love what we are doing, why not smash your like button? Okay, and at this point you need to tell us your opinion. What is your opinion? What do you think about this video you have just watched? And just in case there is a magic trick, CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section so that we reason together, so that we create it. All right. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, or maybe today is the first time you are coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, just go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.